I have 5 tips to make laundry time faster. Let's jump in.
Tip number 1. Before putting your clothes into the hamper, make sure all the clothes are turned right side out. Tip number 2. Use laundry bags to put all of your socks, underwear, bras, smaller items in them so we do not lose them. Tip number 3. When I do a dark load of clothes, I separate them into 2 piles going into the dryer. Now I know it sounds like more work, but it actually isn't. I put all the dark jeans into 1 dryer load. They dry more consistent, and I'm folding all like items together, which makes the process faster. When the jeans are finished, I put the rest of the clothes into the dryer, and that load goes much faster because it's all lighter weight items. Tip number 4, just like with the jeans, I fold all like items and stack them together. Grab the pile and put them in the correct location. Tip number 5, clothes that need to be hung from the dryer should be hung from the dryer. I always keep a stack of hangers close by so I can just hang the items up and keep them together. Again, it makes it much faster just picking up the hangers, walking to the closet, and putting them in, instead of folding them from the dryer, putting them in a basket, walking them to the closet, unfolding them from the basket, and then hanging them. It kind of defeats the purpose. Just saying. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.